Uh, Good morning, guys. Share my screen. Can one confirm you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm, I don't think the multiple audience will join. It is very cold. Okay, I think, yeah, I can see the audience that we were regularly joining. Yeah, that's okay. We can continue on this. Uh, so the agenda of today's session, it's about MongoDB workshop. Okay. So first of all, let me give an overview. What is MongoDB and all. Okay, and then the first phase, I'll go with the installation process itself. Okay, so this is the index actually I was planning today. Wait a moment. I'll put it onto the notepad. Yeah. So guys, the part one is today. I'll start first with the installation. Okay. And then I'll go with SQL databases versus NoSQL database terminologies. And is there any prerequisites for MongoDB? And yeah, what is the basic methods and commands? I think first 1 hour will be this concepts, and the second thing is second part of the session is about only CRUD operations. Okay, so that's how our workshop will go. Okay, yeah. First, what I'll do is. Yeah, I'll go with the installation process. Guys, have you downloaded the softwares which I given a list? I think Sampath was replied. Thanks, Sampath, if you already download. Others? You know, Jahnavi, Asya.
Yes, sir. Downloaded, sir.
Nice, nice. So, see, if you attend this 2 hours workshop, okay, so in your resume, you can keep, anyhow, some practice you need to do it. Not uh, 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 very on high level, some basic level if you practice that's enough. So in your resume, guys, you have to mention in your skill set, technical skill set, you can add this way, guys, query languages and databases. Okay. So what are the query language you learned so far? These are the two lines you can add in your technical session, guys. Okay. What are the query language you learned so far? Hmm. So far, what is the query language you learned?
SQL.
Nice. SQL. Now today you are learning NoSQL. Okay. There is a place you have to add NoSQL. Make sense? Make
Yes, sir.
sense. Okay. Now, what is the SQL databases you learn? What is the SQL databases that you learn?
Oracle, MySQL.
My suggestion is use MySQL. Okay. 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 MySQL. Yeah. Better you can go with Oracle, Comma, MySQL. And today, okay, these are both SQL databases. And today you're learning one more NoSQL database. That is something, MongoDB. Okay, so I think this is makes sense to you everyone. What is MongoDB? MongoDB, Cassandra, HBase. Okay, MongoDB, Cassandra, HBase, all are NoSQL databases. Among them, one of database that you are learning today, MongoDB, it's very popular. It's a very popular rather than other all NoSQL databases. So you got agenda right? What you are learning today, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And what is the purpose of learning skill?
To perform CRUD op.
Nice, Janavi. Same thing you are learning at the end of this session, but with NoSQL. You are learning with NoSQL. Same CUD operations. Okay. All query languages purposes you can do CUD operations. You already done CUD operation by using SQL, and then today you are learning same CUD operation with the help of NoSQL. And the reason why it is called as NoSQL, anyone have any context? I, Any opinion why it is called as NoSQL? Any guesses at least? Mm, say no, guys, if you really don't have it.
It won't maintain any structure.
Nice, nice, Manu. Yeah, that's no in terms of maintaining the data, ma. Okay, it's about maintaining the data. You're absolutely correct. One more thing I want to say, why it is called as a NoSQL. Okay, in SQL, you should write manual queries, correct? Correct? You should write manual queries. Guys, look at this. Yeah, look at this tree which I have written here. Yeah, one second. One second. Yeah. So, guys, if you see, I just now elaborated. Yeah, I just now elaborated. Uh, for to perform code operations, okay, you have to write the queries. Please look at left side first. Okay, to perform code operation, you have to write the queries. So, if you want to write the queries, you choose an already SQL databases, and these are the manual queries you have to write it, right? Manual write it, you have queries you have to write, right? So you have to write a query for create a table, sorry, create a database, create a table, then you have to insert the rows, update the rows, delete the rows, and retrieve the rows, right? So a developer need to write manual queries. The toughest job here is for you remembering the syntax. Correct? Just remembering the syntax. Guys, you agree? Remembering the syntax is little tough in SQL, not concepts, just remembering the syntax. Correct? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now this is the one of the biggest challenge we can say with SQL. So now let's see right side tree, guys. So the benefit of your NoSQL is without writing the queries. Okay. Left side, if you see SQL, you have to write the query to do any operation. You have to write the query. But here, you need not write the query, okay, by using ready-made methods. Okay, so today at the end of the workshop, you are learning around 5 to 7 methods. That's it. The entire this 2 hours workshop is you are just learning 5 to 7 methods. So without writing the queries, you can do card operations. So that's why NoSQL is came into the picture. So these are the only 5 methods guys you are learning it. Only the 5 methods. If you want to create a database, if you want to create a database, yeah, simple line you have to use DB name. Use DB name. If you want to create a make my trip database, say use MMT. If you want to create a Paytm database, say use Paytm. If you want to create a book my show database, say use BMS. That your DB is created. Okay. So that's how the NoSQL will work. See guys, this is the first line. And if you want to create a table, you need not write the query. Create table, table name, column name, data type, constraint. Okay. That thing you need to do it. But here only one ready-made method is there. The method name is create collection. That method name is create collection. And if you want to insert a row, that ready-made method is there. The method name is insert one. And if you want to update a row, you have a method find one and update. And if you want to delete a method, delete a row, that there is a method is there, delete one. Okay. And if you want to retrieve the rows, you have to use a method called something of find. Guys, as I explained, you are learning around 5 to 7 ready-made methods only. Only 5 to 7. These are the 5 to 7 methods. You have to buy add it. Even if you keep MongoDB in your resume, they'll ask direct one question. What's the difference between SQL and NoSQL? So first question. Next, immediately they'll ask you, what's the benefits of NoSQL databases? Next question they will ask you, how you create a database in NoSQL, how you create a table in NoSQL, how to insert the rows into the NoSQL, how to update the rows, and how to delete the rows, and how to retrieve the rows. These are the most common question asked in an interview, and I'm pretty sure within this end of workshop you'll be learning this all stuff from scratch. Okay, this is a just overview on a workshop, guys. Just an overview what you're learning on high level. Make sense so far? All good?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, nice. Okay, so guys, as usual, first I'll go with initial, software installation process. In my machine also, I verified it's not there. So maybe you can just follow my steps with me. If you want to do it along with me, you can. Okay. If you want to do it along with me, you can, because already I have just downloaded. I have not installed it. So first of all, I'll give you high level steps also. What we'll be doing. Okay. Step one, download server Tama client. We did, correct? We did, right? Both softwares we downloaded. Server software, client software. Next, install server. That I'll show you. That I'll show you now. Okay. Now, step three is install client. Install client. Next, step four is start server. Okay. Step five, start the client. Start the client. And then the last step six is where, write, write, yeah, write queries, write queries, write queries in client, in client. Actually, whatever the steps I given, this is beginner level. Okay. This is, beginner level. I mean, there's four, five, six, steps are for beginner level. Anyhow, this is we need to do it. Okay. Yeah, this is already finished. Now I'll show you how to install server, then install the client. Then I'll show you how to start the server. So actually, you have to open two command prompts. Okay, you have to open two command prompts. So this is a command prompt one you can consider. Okay, this is the command prompt one you can consider. This is one more command prompt you have to consider. Two command prompts you need to open. In one command prompt, one server will be running, and in another command prompt, the client will be running, and you will be writing the queries on command prompt two. This is very legacy approach, I should say, but as a learner, you should learn from this legacy approach only. And at the end of the session, I'll tell you guys how a real-time developers will use this MongoDB. Are they follow the steps? The answer is no. These four, five, six steps they won't follow. Okay, even I was not following it. I'll tell you how to use it also. Okay, so but this is a freshers level. You have to learn this process only. Okay, yeah. Quickly, guys, I'll go with installation of the server. So this is your server software. Around 756 MB is there. Okay, guys, if you want to do along with me, please you can. Okay, just double click on it. Just double click on it. Yeah, there's a MongoDB, and click on next. S- Select the license agreement. Click on next, and guys, here you can select custom. Okay, select the custom, not complete. Just select the custom. Okay, and I'll repeat. Select the custom. Don't select complete, and click on next. And yeah, here nothing you need to select. Click on next, and here stay on this window. I'll repeat, select custom, not complete. Okay, now
Sir,
yes, Manu.
way to get that links, what you have opened,
Hmm.
way to get that.
Manu, are you absent for yesterday's session?
Yes,
Okay, okay, no worry, ma. So see, yesterday, December 5th, already I have sent this links to you. Okay,
okay, sir.
yeah, here it is a server software link, ma. This is the client software link. Okay, yeah. Yeah, guys, no worries. Those who are not downloaded, you can do after the session. Okay. Yeah. So very good. Yeah. So okay, just stay on this window. Yeah, there's a one checkbox was already checked, right? There's a one checkbox was already checked. I'll tell you what is this checkbox. Just allow me 1 minute. I'm getting a call from home. Okay.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.